guys, if you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. And if I subscribe, thank you.
I'll be showing you how I make this tube crop top. I'll be needing my thread, elastic, that's 2 yard, my shock, then I have my scissors, my taper, and I have a doll face. A doll face. I'll show you the measurements that I make use of doll face. 12.5 inches. 12.5 inches by 13, almost 13 inches. That's what I'm going to make for the bow. I'm having two bow, and this is the fabric. I'm using the African prints. I'm going to take the measurements now. So I've already cut it. I have two fabric there. I have two pieces of fabric. That is 32 by 32 by 10 inches. 32 by 10 inches. I'm folding into two. That's why I have 18. So 18 plus 2, that's 32 by 10 inches. I have two pieces of 8. So 32 in two places. So I'm going to join it together. So I've joined it together. I'm joining it together. Then I'm going to mark 28, another 28, mark another 28. I'm going to do there. And I'll mark another 4 inches. That's my sewing allowance, 4 inches. So if your bust is going to be in two places, you're going to mark your bust 2 times. Sorry for that. I'm trying to correct something. So I'm going to trace the 4 out. Now cut it out. I'm going to cut it out. The remaining pieces for my bow. Then the next thing is my elastic. I'm going to fold it now. I'm going to fold it now. Then I'll put in my elastic 2 inches. Yes, 2 inches and a little bit sewing allowance there. 2 inches. Then I'll sew it down. I'll sew it down. Make sure your hand is very straight when sewing it down. I'll keep sewing it down. Yeah, sewing is fun. If you have any question on this video, tell me, ask me. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, house of Minion, house underscore Minion. Yes, the next thing I'm going to cut out the left thread. I will be cut out the left thread. Then I will go down. I'll go down and fold. I'll go down and fold. I'll be folding 2 inches, 2 inches. I'll fold into it. I'll sew it down. I'll fold, sew it down. I don't need to add my elastic to it. I'm not adding elastic to it. So I'm going to keep sewing. Let's keep sewing. Sewing is fun. If you are making this for a client, make sure you make use of a lining. You can make use of your lining. Make use of your lining. Yes. Keep sewing it. Keep sewing it. Yes, let's keep sewing now. Keep sewing it down. Sew it down. So the last place I'm going to sew it down. I'll be very careful. Be very careful. I'll pull out my elastic. I'm pulling it out. I'm pulling out my elastic. I'll pull it out. Sorry, the camera didn't show there. I'm very sorry for that. I'll pull it out. I'll pull it out. I'll pull it out. I'm going to do it right now. I'm going to pull it out. And after pulling it out, I'm going to take a measurement 40 inches. Don't forget the bust is 28, so I'm going to make it of 40 inches now. 40 inches, 40 inches. So 28 divided by 2 is going to give me 14 inches. So I'm going to sew it. I'll turn it out and sew it now. Place on the sewing machine and sew it. You sew it down. You sew it down. And make sure you take it easy. Sew it down. Make sure when you're sewing, you stitch that whole place. Yes, and sew it. Yes, I'm done with it. I'm done with it. So I'm done with it. The next thing I'll be doing now, I'll be doing how to make the bow. that's the next thing. Wow. Yes.
So the next thing is how to sew the bow. We have to bow African fabric. That's the first one, and the next one is with my doll face. So I'm going to sew this now. I'm going to sew it. You sew the first side, you sew it down. The second side, you sew it down. Then the down, you have to sew it, and you leave 1 inches at the middle. You go back to the other side and do the same thing. You leave 1 inches at the middle. As you're going to do, leave 1 inches at the middle. That 1 inches you are leaving at the middle, that's why you're going to turn it out. Don't forget that when we are sewing, your hand must be very straight. You go to the other side and sew it. You leave your 1 inches. Leave your 1 inches there and cut out the left thread. Cut it out. I'll make sure it now 1 inches, 1 inches, and you turn it out. You turn it out. Be very careful when turning it out. Just be very careful. You turn it out. Take it easy when turning it out. You don't need to rush yourself. You turn it out. That's what I'm doing. You turn it out. I use the scissors to bring out the shape out. To bring out the shape out. So our bow is ready. Our bow is ready. Our bow is ready. So you take just a little. We can make use of a rope, just little rope like I'm using, and you tie it. You tie it and you cut it out. You cut the left out. Cut it out. Wow. Yes. Next thing is the second bow. That's the next thing. I'm sewing my second bow.
So I've sewn my second bow. I've sewn it. I've sewn my second bow. So I'm going to place it together. The two bow. Then I will tie it. I'll tie it together. I'm going to tie the two together. Tie it together. Wow. My bow is ready. My bow is ready. So I'm going to place it. So I'm going to use my needle and thread to sew it together, to sew my bow and sew the crop top together. Sew it tight, sew it tight. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram.